Hello guys, do you find difficult to remember squares of so many numbers? And you find calculation is also very tedious? Well, no worries. I'm giving you a super simple method to calculate squares of two-digit numbers within seconds. Here are two-digit numbers from 11 to 99. 10 is also two-digit number. I have not included because 10 square is 100. That is very easy to remember. I will randomly select 10 numbers whose squares we will find in this class. In our calculation, we will be using squares of numbers from 1 to 9. So let us first write them. You will notice squares of number 1, 2 and 3 are in single digit. We will make them two-digit number by writing 0 on left side. So whenever we use 1 square, we will be writing 0, 1. 2 square will be written as 0, 4. 3 square will be written as 0, 9. Squares of all other numbers are already in two digits. First number whose square we will find is 21. First step is to write square of 2 and square of 1 side by side. Square of 2 we will write 0, 4, square of 1 0, 1. Next step is to multiply three numbers seen here, that is 2 into 1 into 2. 2 into 1 is 2, into 2 is 4. We have to place 1 0 next to it and add to the squares written in first step. And the answer we get is 441. So square of 21 is 441. Next number whose square we are doing is 71 square. 7 square we will write 49, 1 square 0, 1. Next multiply three numbers seen, 7 into 1 into 2, that comes to 14. Place 1 0, add 140 to squares written below. 4901 plus 140 gives us 5041. So 71 square is 5041. Next we will find 32 square. 3 square is 09, 2 square is 04. Next we will multiply the number seen, that is 3 into 2 into 2, which gives us 12. Not forget to place 0. 120 now will be added to squares written earlier. On adding we get 32 square equals to 1024. Next number whose square we will find is 63. In first step we will write squares of both digits, 6 square 36, 3 square 09. Next multiply the number seen, that is 6 into 3 into 2. 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. We will place 0, it becomes 360. On adding this to squares written below, we get the answer 3969. That is 63 square equals to 3969. Let us now find 14 square. First step will be to write squares of both digits. 1 square is 0, 1, 4 square is 16. Next we will multiply the numbers seen, that is 1 into 4 into 2. 1 into 4 is 4, 4 2s are 8, equals to 8, and we will place 1 0 next to it. Becomes 80. We will add this to squares written below. 116 plus 80 gives us 196. So 14 square equals to 196. Next number is 55. Let us find 55 square. We have to first write squares of four digits. 5 square 25, 5 square 25. Let us now multiply the numbers seen. 5 into 5 into 2, that is 25 into 2, 50. We have to place one more 0, it becomes 500. This 500 will add to squares written below. It gives us 3025. 55 square equals 3025. Next we are going to find 86 square. Our first step is to write squares of both digits. 8 square 64, 6 square 36. Next we will multiply the numbers seen. 8 into 6 into 2. 8 6 are 48. 48 into 2 96. On placing 0 next to 96 becomes 960. This we will add to the squares written down. 6436 plus 960 gives 7396. So 86 square equals to 7396. Our next number is 37. To find square of 37, we will first write down square of 3 and 7. 3 square is 09, 7 square is 49. We will now multiply the numbers seen here, that is 3 into 7 into 2. 3 7s is 21, 21 into 2 is 42. We have to place one zero next to it and add to the squares written below. On adding 949 and 420, we get 1369. Square of 37 is 1369. We have completed 8 numbers. Let's do ninth one, which is 98 square. Our first step will be to write 9 square 81, 8 square 64. Next step is to multiply the number seen, that is 9 into 8 into 2. 9 8s are 72. 72 into 2 is 144. Place one zero next to 144 and add it to the squares written below, which gives us 9604. So 98 square is 9604. 10th number whose square we are doing is 49. In first step, we'll write 4 square 16 and 9 square 81. Next step is to multiply the numbers seen, that is 4 into 9 into 2. 4 9s are 36. 36 into 2 is 72. We have to place one zero next to 72. It becomes 720. That will be added to squares written below. On addition, we get the answer 2401. So 49 square equals to 2401. Here is some work for y'all. Use this method to find squares of two numbers, 34 square and 99 square. Write your answers in the comment section.